Introducing AutoXscape by InGear, an innovative multifunction auto emergency tool that integrates a high-powered LED flashlight and 2 life-saving escape tools. Constructed with military-grade aerospace aluminum, AutoXscape is fully waterproof and impact-resistant. Press the button once for high beam, again for low beam, and a third time to enable SOS mode. On high, AutoXscape puts out 135 lumens covering up to 492 feet. No matter what mode you're in, simply hold down the button and the beam will immediately shut off. AutoXscape comes with a car mount for easy access in an emergency. Peel off the 3M tape that comes in the box. Press and hold to the desired location, applying pressure for approximately 1 minute. Once the mount is attached, AutoXscape is ready to go. AutoXscape has 2 built-in escape tools to quickly get you out of an emergency. To cut the seatbelt, make sure the belt is pulled tight. Open the cap to reveal the blade. Position the blade inside the belt and slice away from the body. To break a window, use the exterior steel ball on top of the cap or the sharper tungsten steel punch beneath the cap. Hold AutoXscape tightly in your fist and make a stabbing motion towards a corner of a side or rear window, not at the center. AutoXscape gives you peace of mind knowing you're prepared when emergency strikes. AutoXscape by InGear. Always there, always prepared.